Houston boy who's raised by the sea, finding out what this life could be. Well, I took my turn and I felt the burn. Now I'm banged up and on my knees. Where you going when times get rough? Granny asked me when I was young. Now I'm riding through the red mud, through the fields that he oh so loved. Well, I've been and broken, lost and damned, and the one hanging on by a string. Every road I go down just circles round to the part of my own hometown. Just another spoke in the wheel, blade of grass, grain of sand in the field. But I smile at the sky for the morning sunrise, 'cause it's proof that we all can heal. Hold on tight when the storm clouds come. There's always light when you can't see none. Keep the air inside of your lungs. Never know when you'll get a run. Well, I've been and broken, lost and damned, and the one hanging on by a string. Every road I go down just circles round to the part of my own hometown. Every road I go down just circles round to the heart of my own hometown. To the heart of my own hometown. To the heart of my own hometown. To the heart of my own hometown.
Jalan-jalan. Jadi lamun boga masalah mah jalan-jalan keluar, boga masalah keluar. Ah, eta we pokona mah kembaliun teh pokona mah. Mantap we pokona mah. Lamun dek ka ujung genteng teh motoran lain naik genteng.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. When she was just dream of paradise, paradise, paradise. Oh, she dream of paradise, paradise, paradise.
Oh, jalan-jalan ke daerah pantai pokoknya mah panas we, pokoknya mah ngomong ke lamun geus nepi ka genteng ieu karek nepi di Sindang Barang walaupun ulin tapi teu bohong kana ibadah salat Jumat pokoknya mah doakeun sing lancar we, pokoknya mah gas.
Oh, I know the sun was set to rise. This could be paradise, paradise, could be paradise. Oh, this could be paradise, paradise, could be
Alhamdulillah sekarang baru sampai di daerah Cikaso, daerah Curug Cikaso yang viral itu guys. Oh, lihat tuh jembatannya di sana. Wah keren.
Lanjut.
Pokoknya mah ikuti terus ya pokoknya mah. Gas sebentar lagi sampai ke ujung genteng. Bakar ikan.
pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have two hands. Hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans.
Alhamdulillah setelah menempuh perjalanan panjang dari jam 6 pagi, sekarang jam 17 sudah sampai di ujung genteng. Weh, pokoknya mah mantap ta, istirahatnya di dieu ta. Wah,
Nyampe teh langsung disambut ke naon, Pak?
pokoknya mah disambut ku samsat.
Samsat.
Nah, di pondok heksa tadi dieu ta.
Jauh.
Rekomendasi pisan. Pokoknya mah ujung genteng juara we pokoknya. Aya nu ngalewat ini iklan. Pokoknya mah perjalanan Nana mantap. Baik, pokoknya sebentar lagi kita akan bakar ikan. Oke, ikutin terus.
When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. 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 I didn't know.
Tabarakallah, perjalanan berapa jam ya? Kita dari sana jam 7. Sekarang jam berapa, Dik? Jam 5 lah. Jam 5. Berarti 7 sampai jam 5. Hilang ya pokoknya malah. Tapi alhamdulillah semua selamat, sehat dengan perjalanan yang insya Allah menyenangkan.